This video we going to learn that regex, what is regex and how to use this one in our NLP. So regex is basically a regular expression which help us to extract that information from that any string or any paragraph or whatever we wanted to search. The first thing we need to import that regex short form is RE, and then suppose we have three test test one and test two. So one is that normal. Second one we have some extra spaces in between. And third one we have extra symbol in those things. So now that they have that in regex, we have that split function and then slash s and list. So first thing we'll go and learn what is slash s. So match any white space character. So what we going to do that split we are doing. So where all space is there, it's going to split it. Okay, for test. So since we have normal one space, so it's splitting correctly for each and everything. In test one, since we have extra spaces, so whenever do that split based on a space, so it's going to count us all those spaces and going to display it here. So in short, here we have for what small d used to find at 0 to 9 any number, capital D that non-digit numbers, S to find a space, capital S non-white space, D and W to find that any class belongs to a small A to Z or capital A to Z or 0 to 9 and a special character. So now if we come to now if we do plus, so to overcome this problem, if you put that plus with that S symbol, what it's going to do, it's going to count S is S is basically to split that on the space and plus it's going to remove that multiple count. So if either it's one or two or three or any number of spaces are there, it's going to behave it like one. So it will count one if you put that plus. So now it's splitted correctly. When we not put that plus symbol, so it's counting all space one, two, tab, and then it's splitting according to that. So now similarly, if we try to split now test 2 where we have a special character, we are seeing that it's not splitting correctly, it's still displaying that character and extra symbols, all those things in one word. If we do plus also, so we are not getting this. So as we check it here now, so S is used for white space, non-white space character if you put capital, and W is used for A to Z underscore 9, anything if we need to search. So here we will use that W plus. Again plus symbol I used here as if we have more than one thing, so it will be not going to count that. So I use that W plus, so it's going to use that as split on based of that. So similarly in regex we have one search function. What it's going to do, suppose that if I put that search text 3 that I wanted to find that used label and test in this sentence. So now I'm using that for loop, simple for loop, and then I'm using that re.search, and I'm passing this in sentence whatever we have passed here, and then we are displaying our normal print function. So we saw that used found match. So use it already using this one. So here we can see that use is there. Now label is there already. We know label is there. Now this also saying found. We found in now test and we're not able to find test in this one. So it's saying no match found. So similarly, we have now one more re dot find all. So find all also again, if anything I wanted to find in this one. So suppose in this one, I just wanted to find all small letter. Anything if a small letter is there in this given sentence. That's why we are not getting I because I is capital, and then we are getting try to follow, and PEP8 again this is capital letter, and 8 is not that A between A to Z, so it's not displaying here, and guidelines is coming. So now if I use that capital letter, so only we know that I is there and PEP, so it's going to display that PEP. It displaying correctly, not the 8 because it's again digit. So now if we need to find anything where all combination of this one, capital A to Z and plus symbol and 0 to 9 any digit is there, then we are getting only one because only one is there where we have that alphabet and digit. So similarly, one more thing is there now. Here I put that now three line. As we know that three quotations, so it's break in that different line. So we have this one. So now we can do W. So as we know, W going to find anything that number or digit or anything. So we are finding in that and printing that value whatever it's going to display. So it's displaying only one. But if we can see, it's need to display M and L, but it's not displaying that first word of this other two lines. The region banded by default re.mute line. It's not going to work, so we need to pass that. We need to make that mute line. So then, if we run this, so now it's not going to consider. It will consider different line. Right? So different line as well. So it will display all those first character of each line first word. So we are getting that one here, here M and here L. So in this way there are multiple functions are there in regex. So what all we need in our case we can use that. So it's based on our needs. So we can find that in regex documentation there and we can get that all those more details. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.